not pretty, just not. But I got it.
Oh, we're gonna get straight.
Ain't you glad you moved, Ashton? You was standing right where that water's going.
Yeah, I know. But then, yeah, you're gonna be wet. I mean, you were wet by
But
now.
you should have do it was right on the other one.
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
Ancient folks.
Yeah.
Okay, Beehive's pretty cool.
Yeah, I think so.
And so this one only goes twice a day.
Twice a day?
Yeah.
We're at the right time, obviously. Because we're catching it at one of those times. Yeah. Oh, wow.
That's really high. So like 150 feet, she said?
180.
180?
Almost 200.
Almost 200? I'm videoing.
I don't mind getting better so my camera can I've got Beehive showers. It's actually kind of fun on a summer day like this.
People's getting wet.
And then you're cold walking back to wherever you're going. It's right up there. It's an experience.
It's so cool. Excuse me, I didn't order that thing to go.
Yeah, it cools off pretty
I think
fast.
so. Just stay there.
You got to get one. I've never done it.
Dad,
Yeah.
Just walking by with
Go, Jared, back up.
oh my gosh, yes, that's so cool.
Grand a little bit. So did you get some stuff? Yes, I did. That's a big it is. It's our gift from Yellowstone to us.
early today. Oh, great.
Oh, it's really unpredictable.
I usually use 15.
$15,000?
Well,
$15,000?
I've heard that the summer
See the two best that are easy to see here.
Okay, that's nice.
I mean, in this basin anyway, yeah.
So you're one of those guys again? Nice.
Oh, not yet?
You're right.
You could be a little
You're welcome.